Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be using this Desi x Katy palette in honor of me doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving this palette away to one lucky person, and the rules are going to be at the end of this video, so just make sure you stick around to see how you can win this. So yeah, in honor of that, I wanted to do a look using the palette, and I don't know, you guys seem to really like that I included this palette in my last giveaway, so yeah, I wanted to do that again and give you guys some ideas in case you win this palette, or in case you already have this palette and you want to see some looks that you can create with this. I also have a couple of new products that I wanted to test out. I have this Dose of Colors satin liquid lipstick, and then the Maybelline X Puma highlight. That is so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to be trying these out on camera with you guys, and also showing you guys how I achieved this look with the palette that I'm going to be giving away. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and how you can win this palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just primed my eyes using the P. Louise base off camera, and I did my base makeup, everything minus my highlight, my lips, and my eye makeup, just because those are the products we're going to be, or those are the things that we're going to be like doing on camera. So I did everything minus that. So we're going to jump right into the eyes first, and I want to use, I'm thinking of using this shade right here. I think it's called Money. No, Dirty Money. Or one of these blue shades, but I don't know. Because this shade right here, it came in shattered when I got mine. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, I'm just going to start off by kind of using this as like a base. Today is like the first day that I'm off, like really off. Like I don't have school on Mondays. I only have school on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I usually work at least at one of my jobs on Mondays, but I'm actually off today at both jobs, which is really surprising because I haven't had a break like that in so long. I feel like Tina. In my last video, the ambulance was passing by. I think I cut it out though, but now it's happening again. So now I'm going to take this shade right here called Necessary, right? Yeah. I'm going to take Necessary kind of as like a transition shade. So yeah, I'm off work, so I'm trying to get like a lot of things done today. I've been like washing all of my clothes, and I went to Costco and went on like a little grocery haul with my mom. I got like a lot of stuff that I needed just for like the diet that I'm doing. I'm going to take the shade Chudo right here and start putting that in the outer part of the eye. Or should I do like a halo eye? Yeah. I say that as I'm doing it. So I'm going to put it in the inner part of my eye and the outer part of my eye. And I think I'm just going to do, like use Dirty Money for this now, because I feel like that'd look best with these shades that I'm using. So like the gold green one. And I'm going to switch brushes. I like this brush for when I'm like working in the inner and outer part. This is the Makeup Shack T36 brush, and I feel like it just fits like perfectly right here. It like fits perfectly like everywhere, like perfectly in the inner part. It's kind of like pointed but fluffy, so it fits and blends nicely right here, and also in the crease. Oh no, there was like purple on my brush, and it kind of like is showing right here, like the purple kind of came off. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm just using this like flat brush and my Mario Badescu spray. You don't need no Fix Plus, that fancy shit. And then I'm just gonna take this Dirty Money shade. It kind of has like blue in it, like from this shade because it shattered. It's like I can't get it off, so I hope it doesn't get on there. Okay, so I applied some with the wet brush, and then I think I'm gonna apply a little with my finger just to make it more intense when it dries. So while that dries, I'm gonna work on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some on my finger and like start dabbing that to make it a little bit more intense. Wow, that definitely did make it a lot more intense. And then just take a teeny bit of this Chura and Cheens shade right here just to buff the edges out. Make sure it kind of fades into each other. Just a little bit. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of Just a Kiss right here. This is my favorite shade in this entire palette. When you put this shade in the inner corner, it just does something to the look. And you just can't tell on camera, but it's freaking insane. And I feel like it'll just make this pop a little bit more. Like straight in the middle. I don't know if you can tell, but it's making it pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to put that same shade in the inner corner. And actually, before I do mascara, I'll do my lower lash line really quickly. I'm just going to take Chura right here and start buffing that in the lower lash line. I think that's fine for the lower lash line. So now I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I always use this mascara. Okay, now we're going to do highlight. This is the Maybelline X Puma highlight in the shade 08 Knockout. And I'm going to swatch this for you guys. But this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. I'm going to swatch it right now. Oh my gosh. It looks a little bit more pink in person. I'll swatch it right here. Okay, there you can kind of tell it's like kind of pink, like a champagne-y pink gold type of highlight. I don't even know how to explain that, but we're just gonna try it out right now. And I don't know how intense this is, so we'll see. Oh, snap. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I feel like if you don't blend it out nice, it will leave like a little cast on you. So if you're like any paler than I am, then I don't know if this would work on you. I feel like this would look really good on like medium to deep skin tones. It blends so nicely into the skin. It literally looks like wet and like intense. And it's drugstore. Come on. I'm probably going to be using this highlight like every day now. So now I picked up this satin lipstick, Lip It Up satin lipstick from Dose of Colors. These were $10. and they're originally $17, something around there. So this is what it looks like, and you just lift it up right here, and oh no, you can't twist it. I don't know, it looks like this thing twists, but it doesn't. So it's just a pretty nude lipstick. I'll swatch it next to the highlight. It feels very creamy, and this just looked like the prettiest shade that I would have liked from like looking online, because I couldn't find any like swatches anywhere of these lipstick shades, so I just kind of like guessed from the images, but you know, those aren't always like accurate. But we'll just try this out right here. Are you kidding me? Now I kind of want to pick up some of the other shades, and because this one actually is a tad bit light for like the eye look, I think. But I think this would be a really pretty everyday lipstick. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this. I really like my makeup in general. Like, I feel like I haven't done a look like this. I don't know. And if they're still on sale right now, I would definitely pick some up. They're really creamy. So if you have dry lips, yeah, they look really nice on my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna do like the same rules as my last giveaway. The first rule is you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. The second rule is you have to follow me on Instagram. The third rule is to like and comment down below your favorite snack. I don't know, I can't think of anything else, so yeah, just comment down your favorite snack down below, and yeah, that's it for right now. Everything will be in the description box. Everything will be down below in the description box, so if you have any questions, just look down there, and I'll also have when the giveaway ends there as well. So yeah, if you don't win though, stay tuned for the next one, because we're going to hit 1K soon. I freaking know it. So there will also be a huge giveaway coming up, so yeah, don't feel discouraged. Definitely enter the giveaway, and yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I freaking love how my makeup turned out, so I hope you guys did too. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.